So you might be in a really weird situation where your drafts on TikTok are missing. So maybe you went through your TikTok application like this and you're trying to scroll through and you cannot find any drafts that you previously made. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is that the drafts of your account are always going to be basically on the top left. If you just come straight into your profile like this, you should be able to see this little square ball lock right here. It should show your drafts. Now, if you see this specific situation where I don't have any drafts here, you may just want to go and look for a little lock icon here, and you might want to see if you see any drafts in this specific panel. This is kind of like your locked folder kind of situation. You may also want to check in this specific panel too, which sometimes may have your posts. They may have some other things here too, maybe some other things that you may have accidentally posted, things like that. You may also want to go through all of the likes that you've done as well and see if you've liked any of the drafts that you've done. Now, I say that to say because most probably the drafts that you have, they're not deleted, they actually just ended up being posted. So sometimes that can happen if you randomly just posted one of your drafts. So just go through your specific TikTok page and make sure you didn't accidentally post that specific draft. Now, if you scroll through your page and you can verify that none of the drafts that you've posted are actually visible, well, the next thing that usually happens is basically maybe you deleted that draft. So if we go and take an example, if we go and basically just make a new TikTok like this, if we go and paste it as a draft, so if I go and click here, if I go and click check mark, let's say I just go through and I go and click this back button, let's say I just click exit. Now I can go and start over, I can discard, or if I were to go and hop out, I can go and save it as a draft, and then you can see my draft is basically saved there. Now sometimes if I were to come here and if I were to go ahead, click select, click here, if I were to delete this draft, it'll just be deleted. So just make sure you didn't delete that draft either. Now, if for some reason you can verify your drafts shouldn't have been deleted, you can try going through and updating your TikTok application. This is another thing that you can do that I guarantee will probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So just go through, update your TikTok application, just like so. And then if it's updated, most of the time that's probably all you're going to have to do. And that might end up fixing the problem as well. And your drafts maybe should be visible. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.